eastern part elevation marker. So when did you put the elevation marker on? What's that?
Well, it just says you're about to move the elevation marker, but I don't see where the eastern elevation marker even is.
Okay. Did you have to place it at some point?
Um,
I'm looking at, let me look back and see.
oh wait, is this it?
Yeah, that is it.
Okay, I think I just found it. Yeah.
Yeah, it says that it's not necessarily going to look like what is shown in the book, but that is an elevation marker. So now I want you to move it.
So it looks so similar to the section markers.
Yes, but the only difference, there's no tail. So
Okay.
elevations just have the round and the arrow. The sections have a tail.
Okay.